What's going on, everybody? It's your boy FXG Gonzo here. I am doing a box opening of the new PlayStation Classics that I will be playing today for the Throwback Thursday. So let's get to it, guys. Not going to waste anybody's time. We'll talk after, all right? So let's open this up. All right, comes in a nice little box here. Oh, let me show you the box. Sorry. Show you the box here. A little throwback PlayStation right there. Looks really good. Actually, it shows you what happened in the box there, but we're going to see it ourselves in person. So, also in the back of the box, it has 20 other classic games here. Let's talk about it actually right now. They got Battle Arena, Cool Borders 2, Destruction Derby, Final Fantasy 7, Grand Theft Auto. See, Intelligent was a cube. Jumping Flash, Metal Gear Solid. Let's see, Mr. Driller, Oddworld, Abe's Odyssey, Rayman, Resident Evil Director's Cut, Revelation Personnel, R4 Ridge Racer Type 4, Super Puzzle Fighter 2 Turbo, Siphon Filter, Tekken 3, Tom Clancy Rainbow 6, Twisted Metal, and Wild Arms. Those are the 20 games are included with this system. So, I'm sorry, it's built in the system. So, alright, guys. Oh, there you go. To damage it. All right. Nice little white box. The serial number. Okay, comes in another box. Yippee. All right. First thing is in the box here is, of course, the instruction manual. Tells you everything what's in and how to work it. If you don't know how to play PlayStation, show you how to work the buttons and everything. Let's see, this is it right here. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go, guys, right there. Little nice PlayStation right there. Small, very small. Open this up. Wow. There you go. That's it. Everything's coming smaller and smaller. I'm telling you, in the future, PlayStation 8 is going to be like this small too. So, gonna open this up here. Alright, so of course it has the two adapters for you to put the controller in. Got a memory card, of course doesn't open. Has an open button. Doesn't do anything. Got the power button to reset. Let's see, got the HDMI port and the power supply. Also here, guys, if I can open this. Can you open this? I don't think so. But yeah. Here it is. Very nice. Can't wait to try it out today. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm having trouble opening this. What's going on here? Alright. This full. Alright. First thing in the box, of course. The two PlayStation Classic controllers. Really nice, really nice. Hopefully have somebody to play with later on. Two controllers. Looks really good. Take one out, guys, so you can see it. Feels a lot. Actually, yeah. Same size. This is the original. Feels really good. Yeah. There you go. R1, R2, L1, L2. Original back. Put that back in there. If I can. Comes with, of course, a HDMI wire. And a power supply, but I guess you just hooked into an adapter for the power. But I already have like a lot of those, so it's not a problem. But that sucks. They should come with adapter this to plug in the wall. Instead, you just probably just plug in your PC or a cell phone charger port, you know. But yeah, this is the power supply, power supply wire, HDMI cable, 2 PlayStation Classic controllers, and of course, the Classic itself. And yeah, that's it. Wasn't that much, but you know, what do you expect? So guys, if you want to see me play this, I'm going to upload this video in the morning, because I just basically just started this right after the stream, and it's already like freaking 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, so I just want to get this done, and I'll upload in the morning. And then, well, once I upload in the morning, it's the same day, Throwback Thursday. So make sure you be there, guys. It'll be at, come on, I did it wrong. 7:30, 8 o'clock probably will start for the Classic. So, but I'm gonna start streaming at 6 because I'm doing a Fortnite tournament. Just make sure you guys be there. Make sure you hit the like button for me, subscribe, share this video to help me out, support the stream, and you can, guys, to help out. I would definitely appreciate it. I love every single one of you and all my supporters. Thank you so much for reviewing this with me, and I'll see you later for the Classic Throwback Thursday. See you guys.